And here's how we can recover our WhatsApp account without any issues. The first step is to use Meta AI with Jam 3.2, which provided me with the solution to retrieve it. Once my account was recovered, I asked the AI to help me explain the process to you in simple steps. Essentially, the key is to act quickly to recover and protect your data. One crucial tool we'll be using is Amigabot.chat, which serves as a guide for the recovery process. This platform is recommended by WhatsApp for handling these situations. To get started, we visit Amigabot.chat, where we'll interact with an artificial intelligence chatbot. The first command you need to enter is /superuser. This will grant you access as a super user, allowing you to generate a list of recovery commands. Among these, the command we'll use is /clone WhatsApp. Once you run this command, the platform will guide you to ensure your device has the latest version of WhatsApp. Then you'll need to input the phone number of the account you want to recover. After cloning the account, you'll revoke access to all other devices. This means that as soon as you log in on your phone, the other person will lose access. Now it's time to add recovery emails and other security settings. Once you've entered the number, all you need to do is wait for the process to complete. Amigabot.chat will take care of everything for you. At this stage, the process will take about 106 seconds. You'll receive updates on the progress, including a summary of all the steps being carried out. Finally, you'll need to complete a quick verification to confirm you're not a robot. This step will successfully generate a dual session for your account. To finalize the verification, you'll use your Google Play account. No notifications will be sent to the other device, and the verification will happen seamlessly through Play Store. The platform might also prompt you to download a sponsored recovery app. Some examples include apps like TikTok or Supermarket Simulator. Follow the app's instructions, run it for the required time, usually around 30 seconds, and return to Amigabot.chat for the final confirmation. Once the verification is complete, you'll see a check mark indicating success. At this point, you can proceed to access your recovered WhatsApp account without any issues. As a final recommendation, after logging in, make sure to verify your email address for future account recoveries. This ensures that your account stays secure and easy to access if needed. And that's it. Your WhatsApp account is now restored effortlessly.